Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Randall Vince Teotero, and I am here to tackle about the classification of reformation programs in the BGMP or in Bucharest. These are classification from programs to ensure that the rehabilitation process is tailored to meet the diverse needs and circumstances of the person deprived of liberty. So there are three types of classification of reformation program. First is the mandatory, second is the intensive program, and the third one is the special program. So first is the mandatory program. The mandatory program is the program that is consists of daily 20 minutes of the time of the PDLs with a routine target of 100%. So this can be done by their cell or outside with the supervision of the officer. So these programs consist with prayer, uh, their mandatory um, assigned class within but not limited in their um, respected areas, while the intensive program, it is the specific technical program of activities unique to each reformation program, guided by the POI, or the program of instructions. So ito ay given before the procedure of the PDL. So it is given by the um, it is being analyzed by the program of institutions. So this is the what you call this, parang duty na rin nila within the BGMP or Bucor program. So it consists with 16 hours of their life. It has for example, um, they are um, they are dutying as a chef in the cafeteria, something like that. And then the third one is the specialized program. So it is the same as the mandatory program, but with the exception of the priority persons. So for example, the senior citizen, um, what we call this, maximum security, high risk person. So it's just the same as the mandatory program, but um, with the exception for the um, what we call this, a specialized person. So for example, the PWD or the elderlies. Overall, this classification of formation program is important to ensure that the PDLs or the person deprived of liberty manage their time of the Bureau of inside the BGMP or the Bucor, and also to help the PDLs know and to ensure also that the um, information program or the rehabilitation program of the BGMP and Bucor are working or effective. And that is it for my report. Thank you, ma'am.